Hi there, it's Erica again. Are you looking to get more responses from your customers or make your team collaborations more engaging? If yes, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an engaging form with a dynamic form filling experience and a branded look using Jodoo in just 2 simple steps. First up, let's install a template to help us get started faster. In fact, according to FormStack, businesses that use templates can build forms up to 60% faster. An event survey is perfect for today, so let's go ahead and install it. We all know that customers are more attracted to a tailored and personalized experience. So, to make your form smarter and more engaging, we'll set up conditional logic. Click Edit to access your form's design page. Head over to Form Properties and set up the conditional logic with field display rules. For example, in this template, we've set it so that when a respondent selects yes to "Would you like to receive information about future events?" an email field pops up for them to leave their contact info. But don't stop there. Add more questions and rules based on your needs. For instance, add a number field asking, "How many of our events have you attended before?" Set this field to display only when the customer answers yes to "Have you attended this event before?" You can click Preview at any time to see your conditional settings in action. Next up, let's talk about branding your form. Consistent branding can increase revenue by up to 23%, according to Lucid Press. So, matching your form's look with your brand is key. With Jodoo, you can customize individual field styles, like patterns, text fonts, and visibility. You can also customize the general form theme. Scroll down to the bottom of Form Properties and edit the form public link style. Here, you decide what your customers see when they open your sharing link. With Jodoo, creating a branded look is as easy as selecting a theme that matches your brand. You get to pick from one of the many pre-designed popular themes. Pick a theme and go to the Custom Style page, where you can fine-tune your form style, such as inserting brand logos, changing color schemes, and text fonts. To reinforce your brand identity, you can set a background color or upload an image under 5 MB for the background or header. You can add a watermark to the background or place your logo in the header. You can also customize your form's title and submit button. Lastly, make sure your form is user-friendly across all devices. Switch the preview options to see how your form looks on smartphones and desktops. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've transformed a template into your own personalized form with smart logic and a branded look. Your form is now ready to be embedded into your website or sent out via email campaigns. If you have any questions about this video or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join our community for more useful resources to create profitable online forms. This is Erica, and I look forward to connecting with you in our community. Thanks for watching.